Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix sound coming out from the right side of the headphones while recording with Shure SM7B and using a Scarlett Focusrite 212 4th gen. So it's a simple fix. All you have to do is open your Focusrite control panel, click on three dots, click Preferences, click on Devices, and make sure you click on this to check this to combine an input 1 and 2. If this is unticked, you have to tick it. After you've done that, you want to close this out. Click here on Network and Internet, then click on this. Select Sound Output. Click More Volume Settings. It will open the settings. Make sure this is set to default, the analog 1+2. And click Further. And in here, you want to click on Test and then say something. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
And that works. And now all you have to do is switch it to one channel, 24-bit, 48,000 Hertz studio quality, and that's it. That's it for this video. That's how you fix sound coming out the right side while using Shure SM7B and the Scarlett 212 4th gen. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.